Marin? What? Ellsworth? Eight speed. Ritchie logic cranks. What are those things? Made in Taiwan? Nice drop ounce. Old school Manitou fork. Don't know what that is. Race face handlebars. 90s XT shifters brake combo. Nash bar wheels? Huh. Those V-brakes don't really fit. Man, Ellsworth or Marin? I don't know what to make of this thing. It's got nice welds though. Pretty sturdy looking. It's a mystery bike.
So this bike's a bit of a mystery. I picked it up at a local shop that sells used sporting goods. They had it listed as an Ellsworth, a 2007 Ellsworth, which it obviously isn't because it doesn't have disc brake mounts, and that would be kind of weird in 2007 to not have disc brake mounts. But I mean, there was a lot of things interesting about it. First, I noticed, actually, I thought it was a Ellsworth Sub 22, but then I noticed, like I was showing you before, on the front badge, it says Marin, which also is really super weird. The component group and shocks kind of all scream 96, like 1996. This fork, the Manitou EFC in this look, I believe is 96. I could be wrong though. I really am not sure. The 8-speed Dior XT, 8-speed rear, so 3-speed in the front, is correct for that era time frame. It's got like Nash bar wheels, which is different, and then Ritchie Logic cranks, which is consistent with probably 96 also. So a lot of these things tell me it's a 96. It doesn't seem to be Ellsworth though. It doesn't seem to be Marin. It's a nice, really robust, well-built aluminum frame with really beefy rear tubing. The geometry is fairly slack when you ride it. It feels like it could be an Ellsworth. I don't think it is. It really doesn't look like a Marin from that time period or ever. And I'm kind of baffled on what it is. And actually the reason for this video, and this video won't be a restoration like my typical videos, I'm putting a call out to you guys before I restore this. One, I want to know what it is, so perhaps I could restore it to what it should have looked like, maybe get the correct stickers, those kind of things. I believe the paint job is original on it. The tubing is fairly beefy. There's some unique elements about this frame that really tell me it's unique. It does say that it's made in Taiwan, so it's mass produced, but it's unique, and I'd like to know what it is. Also, this month, this is my second video this month, So yesterday was October 1st. Today is October 2nd. It's probably the evening now, though, because I still need to edit this. I belong to a group on Facebook called No Small Creator, which is kind of cool. It's a group of smaller YouTube channels or video creators where it's just nice to have a community to be involved with. And I was challenged to do Vlogtober. So to vlog, post a video every day of the month, which is quite a bit. And for me to do restorations on every single one of those would be, one, it would kill me. I have a day job. But I wanted to put a call out to you guys on this episode 2 of Vlogtober to help me figure out what this bike is. I really want to restore it. It actually rides just fine, but it can be cleaned up, tuned up. I'd like to refresh the paint, refresh the fork, perhaps find some wheels that are not Nash bar, but maybe more appropriate to what was on here originally, and see what we can do. Well, I mean, also the race face stem and handlebars probably aren't original. Also, they're not quite that right era. I think they're around 2000 is when race face came out with that logo, and the stem handlebar combo is probably from around that era. And the seat is meh. It'd be cool to put a Salitalia flight seat on this. So I'd like to do a number of these different things. I really would like any help that you guys can give. I've spent a bunch of time last night and yesterday looking online trying to figure out what the heck this bike is. So if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. There'll be more videos coming throughout this week. I've got a few other things planned. And throughout this month, there should be a video every day, unless I start really getting worn out from this, and we'll see what happens. But I really appreciate all the support I get from you guys, and I look forward to some of the restorations that will come this month. So there'll be more bike stuff. I've got a few axes. I've got some shovels to do, an interesting shovel project that I started last weekend, and several other random things to restore and rebuild. So look for opportunities to give those old things new life, and I will see you on the next video. Ciao. It's a cool bike. I quite like it. It's really robust. It's got a real slack stance to it. Just riding it up the driveway, that's all I've done so far. It climbs pretty good. So it'll be a cool bike to restore. So tell me what it is. Let me know.